Guys, my name is Chanem Abraham. Thank you for purchasing the book that's going to change your life. This is not a wide promise, it is a guarantee. So, this is the bonus video I am adding to the ebook. Now, here's what you're going to do. The video is about how you can get your email into the right inbox, because the mistake most people do about sending cold email is this: they send their cold emails to random emails. That is not just the right thing to do. You can't come to a company website and see sales at domainname.com and send your email to them, or contact at. It doesn't work that way. You have to send your email to a decision maker in that company. When I say decision maker, people ranging from the MD to the CEO to the GM to the directors, or maybe the chairman. So it's very, very important to get your email to the right inbox. So here's what you do. First, you will have to open your browser tab, then look out for the email of the company. And here's how I do it. Let's just do a random search for any company. I personally write for real estate companies, so let's check real estate companies in Lagos. Companies in Lagos. Real estate. So when it's out, I usually prefer FineLive because they have better data to give you. And let's look at okay, Cardwell. More about Cardwell. And this comes up. This is Cardwell Real Estate. This is their website, and this is their email. So the email you're seeing here is info@cardwelllimited.com, and their website is www.cardwelllimited.com. What you want to do is this: the email of that decision maker must be his name followed by cardwelllimited.com. So it could be first name dot last name at cardwelllimited.com, or first name and last name joined together at cardwelllimited.com. All you just have to do is make sure you have the both names or either of the names there. So now you can open the website right now directly from FineLive here. Then you get to cardwelllimited.com. This is their homepage. You can check contact us. Maybe you can see any of the directors email there. No, this is info. This is the email we saw at FineLive that is still here. Maybe it's on the website, but I don't know how we can get the contact of a director or something. So you open your browser tab, you now search CEO Cardwell Realty Lagos. Then the CEO's name will definitely be on Google. Okay, their website has our company, about details of their CEO and top management staff. So here you're gonna look through to see. Okay, here is the name of head concept and marketing. This is the names of the head of department. The director's name is here, Muyiwa Owoturo. Then the chief operating officer, the COO. So the CEO is a major decision maker, because the director might be too much of a busy person. So you will want to send your cold email to the COO, whose name has Seni, SENI. That is the name of the COO. Now that you've known the name, you note it down, then you open your browser tab to a website, snov.io. So at snov.io, this is where you can, so snov.io, you can see it here. So you log in. Okay, in this case I have an account, so I'm just logging into. For you, you sign up, and in this case just search, tap this on domain search, then you enter the domain here, cardwelllimited.com. So this will pull out all the emails on the company domain, all the emails. Then from here, this is that COO's email right here on top, Seni Oguntoyimbo at cardwelllimited.com. So you can now just copy his or her email, or send your code email directly. So you copy and make sure everything is done in order. You can just I personally paste it on my notes such that I can have a list of those I'm sending code email to. Paste it on your note. This is as simple as that. You already have the email of a decision maker in Cardwell, not just any random staff or maybe a secretary or something. Because if your email don't land in the right inbox, nobody's going to reply you. From my experience, if you send code email, I'm sure 1 in 5 will definitely respond, depending on how you sent it. And that is why I made sure to give you 2 very reliable code email templates that have been proven to work well in the manual. With that too, you can also find more. You can also ask me for more. So you can start sending your code emails to all these companies. They'll definitely respond to you. Make sure you have the right skill, you deliver well, because you are getting paid for done, not for what you can do. So that is just that. For that, it's not just a hard process. So this is the bonus video I want to add to the manual for you. So go out there and prosper. Thank you so much.